Space is vast. It's an endless expanse that stretches beyond our imagination, filled with wonders that boggle the mind and inspire the soul. It's full of incredible things, from the birth of stars in colourful nebulae to the mysterious black holes that lurk in the darkness. The universe is a treasure trove of marvels. One of the most amazing is galaxies. These colossal structures are the building blocks of the universe, each one a city of stars, planets and cosmic phenomena. These are huge collections of stars, gas, dust and planets. They are bound together by gravity, creating a cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some are majestic spirals with arms that sweep gracefully through space, while others are elliptical like cosmic footballs. There are even irregular galaxies that defy easy classification. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions. It's a spiral galaxy, home to our solar system, and it's just a tiny part of the vast cosmic tapestry. We used to think the universe was static. Early astronomers believed that the stars and galaxies were fixed in place, like a grand celestial painting. Now we know it's expanding. Thanks to the work of scientists like Edwin Hubble, we discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other, stretching the fabric of space itself. Everything is moving away from everything else, but there are exceptions. Some galaxies are on a collision course, drawn together by their mutual gravitational pull. Andromeda, our nearest galactic neighbour, is actually moving towards us. It's a spiral galaxy like our own, and it's on a slow but inevitable path to meet the Milky Way. This might sound scary, but it's happening very slowly. The collision won't happen for another 4.5 billion years, giving us plenty of time to study and understand this cosmic event. We're talking billions of years in the future. By then, the night sky will look very different, with Andromeda growing larger and more prominent. But it does mean something spectacular is going to happen. The collision will be a grand cosmic event, reshaping both galaxies and creating a new, larger galaxy. The Milky Way and Andromeda are going to collide. This merger will be a slow dance of stars and gas, taking millions of years to complete. But the result will be a magnificent new galaxy, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. Let's talk about our own galaxy. We live in the Milky Way. It's a spiral galaxy, shaped like a giant frisbee with arms spiraling out from the center. Our solar system sits in one of these arms, about 2/3 of the way out from the center. When we look up at the night sky, that band of light we call the Milky Way is actually the combined light from billions of stars in our galaxy's disk. Now, let's meet our galactic neighbor Andromeda. Andromeda is also a spiral galaxy, but it's even bigger than the Milky Way. It has more stars and more mass. It's located about 2.5 million light years away from us. That means the light we see from Andromeda today left the galaxy 2.5 million years ago. Andromeda is currently hurtling towards us at a speed of about 250,000 miles per hour. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is not a head-on crash. It's more like a cosmic dance. The two galaxies will first graze past each other. This close encounter will distort their shapes, pulling out long streams of stars and gas. Gravity will then pull them back together for a second pass, and eventually they will merge completely. Section 5. Galactic fireworks, starbursts and black hole mergers. In this section we delve into the awe-inspiring phenomena that occur when galaxies collide and merge, creating cosmic spectacles that are both beautiful and violent. The merger of two galaxies is a spectacular event. Imagine two massive star systems, each containing billions of stars, gas and dust, coming together in a cosmic dance. This dance is not a gentle waltz, but a chaotic and turbulent interaction that can last for millions of years. When galaxies collide, the gas and dust within them get compressed. This compression is due to the immense gravitational forces at play, causing the interstellar medium to become denser and hotter. The resulting shock waves can trigger a series of complex reactions. This triggers a burst of star formation, known as a starburst. During a starburst, the rate of star formation can increase by a factor of 10 or more compared to the normal rate. This intense period of starbirth can last for a few million years, producing thousands of new stars. New stars will be born at a furious rate, lighting up the night sky. These newborn stars are often massive and short-lived, burning brightly and then exploding as supernovae, enriching the surrounding space with heavy elements. At the centers of both the Milky Way and Andromeda lurk supermassive black holes. These black holes have masses millions or even billions of times that of our Sun. They play a crucial role in the dynamics of their host galaxies. During the merger, these black holes will spiral towards each other, eventually merging in a cataclysmic event that will send ripples through space-time. This process, known as a black hole merger, releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves, which can be detected by observatories on Earth. The merger of supermassive black holes is one of the most energetic events in the universe, reshaping the structure of the resulting galaxy and influencing its future evolution. Section 6. Milkdromeda, a new galactic era. The merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda will take billions of years to complete. In the end, a new galaxy will be born. Astronomers have dubbed this future galaxy Milkdromeda. It will likely be an elliptical galaxy, a more rounded shape than the spiral galaxies we know today. Section 7. Life, but not as we know it. What will happen to our solar system during all of this? As our Milky Way galaxy collides with the Andromeda galaxy, a process that will take billions of years, the fate of our solar system becomes a fascinating question. Surprisingly, it's unlikely that our solar system will be destroyed. Despite the dramatic nature of a galactic collision, the vast distances between stars mean that direct collisions are incredibly rare. The distances between stars are so vast that even during a galactic merger, direct collisions are rare. Stars are separated by such immense distances that they will mostly pass by each other without incident. However, our solar system will be flung out to a new location within Milkdromeda. This new galaxy, a combination of the Milky Way and Andromeda, will be our new home. The gravitational forces at play will likely send our solar system to a different part of this new galaxy. The night sky will be transformed, filled with the light of billions of new stars. Imagine looking up and seeing a sky teeming with stars, far more than we see today. The constellations we know will be unrecognizable, replaced by new patterns of stars. It's impossible to know for sure if life could survive on Earth through such a dramatic event. The changes in our cosmic neighborhood could have profound effects on our planet. The increased radiation from nearby stars, the potential for new cosmic events, and the overall shift in our position in the galaxy could all impact life on Earth. Scientists speculate that while the Earth itself might remain intact, the conditions for life could be drastically altered. The increased radiation could pose a threat to life as we know it, potentially leading to new evolutionary pressures or even mass extinctions. On the other hand, life has proven to be incredibly resilient and adaptable. Throughout Earth's history, life has survived and thrived through numerous cataclysmic events. From asteroid impacts to massive volcanic eruptions, life has found a way to endure and evolve. Perhaps humanity will have advanced to a point where we can mitigate these cosmic changes. With advancements in technology and space exploration, we might find ways to protect our planet or even colonize other worlds within Milkdromeda. The future of life on Earth and beyond remains an open question, filled with both challenges and possibilities. As we look to the future, the merging of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies reminds us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. It challenges us to think about our place in the cosmos and the resilience of life in the face of cosmic events. Life, but not as we know it, may be the ultimate outcome of this grand cosmic dance. The universe is full of surprises, and the merging of our galaxy with Andromeda is just one of many events that will shape the future of life in the cosmos. Section 8. Through the eyes of future astronomers. The merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder of the incredible scale and dynamism of our universe. It's a slow-motion event, unfolding over billions of years. We are fortunate to live in a time when we can observe these galaxies as separate entities. Future astronomers will witness the merger firsthand, observing the transformation of our galactic neighborhood. Section 9. Keep looking up. The study of galaxies and their interactions helps us to understand our place in the universe. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible journey that our galaxy is on, and keep looking